things don't go as planned. Like when I wanted to make a painting of my pet Sugar, but then something unexpected happened. Oh no, I've got hiccups! Drinking water will help. Holding my breath, holding my breath. This works! Or not. Huh? Oh no, hot sauce? Are you sure? I hope this helps! Did it help? It helped! I'm never gonna finish that painting. Unless... Since the hiccups won't stop, I decided to make something special with them. Ta-da! What do you think?